Hi everyone, what is method overloading in Java? So developing more than one method in same class provided they have different number of arguments or different sequence of arguments or different types of arguments, then it is called as method overloading. So let's create another class test. Now in test method I am going to create more than two methods with same name. So and here I am passing integer a. Yes, control space or enter. Now pass here message like 100, right? And again I am going to create void show double a. Here I am passing 200. Let's create main method. So test main. So create main method. Type ma, control space or enter. Now create the object of test class. So test t is equal to new test. Just move here. Just call the method. Here number of arguments 1. Number of arguments is equal to 1. And here is also number of argument is equal to 1. Right? Right click, run as Java application. Nothing. So t dot show. Okay. Yes. Here we have to pass value. I am passing integer. Just pass 10. Right? T dot show. Here I am passing 20.0. Now I can see here we have created more than two methods in same class, right? But type of argument is different, right? Here is integer type and here double type. So let's run the program and see the output. It's giving 100 and 200. But if I am passing same integer values, then it will call only 100, right? Return type is here argument type is double. So we have to pass here double value. Now you can see it's giving 100 and 200. This is the method overloading. Here part definition says that developing more than one method in same class provided they have different number of arguments, different sequence of argument, a different type of argument. So we covered different number of arguments, right? And different types of argument.